Hi folks, Marcus here, CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm looking at this beast, the Masterbuilt Gravity Fed Series 560 Charcoal Smoker and Grill. So I'm very excited to have a first play with this bit of kit, and I just wanted to show you some of the features. I've had a couple of cooks on it now, and I just wanted to show you a little bit more in depth about what it is. There's lots of people asking questions about it, a lot of interest in this grill, and I just wanted to show you my first impressions having had a couple of cooks on it. Okay, let's go. It's a fairly big bit of kit. You know, there's a lot of height in here, which is great. A couple of levels you can cook on, lots of different options for moving these grates around. First impressions were that it was really nicely put together, and the very exciting bit of kit is this on the side here, which is a hopper for charcoal, and it's gravity fed. And one of the things that makes it even better is that it's got a unit here that will control the temperature. So it's a pit controller there with a variable speed fan underneath there that will control the temperatures. For this price point, I'm really impressed so far. Yeah, let's have a look at some of the other details on it. So you've got two dampers here that slot in there, and that's for when, after your cook, you want to shut this down. Slide those in there and they'll snuff out the charcoal. When you're lighting this, which is what we're going to do now, you take those out and put them to the side. Okay, shut the lid. You've got your top vent there. We're going to load this up with some charcoal. I'm going to go for a nice quality British charcoal, good quality, and I'm going to pop some of this in there. I reckon it'll take about half a bag to fill. So I've got some nice cherry wood chunks here, 4 of them. I'm going to put a couple in at first and a bit more charcoal. So I'm just layering the smoky wood in with the charcoal. A full hopper there. Just make sure you can close the lid down. And then the latch there. Okay, so the ash goes down here. This is the ash catcher. So I leave that burning just for a minute or two to get going. There we go, just so it's right under the main bit of the charcoal there. Coming over to here, we've got the control unit here. Turn that on. We want to select the temperature, and I'm gonna go hot with this one. I'm looking for 200 C. There we go, and you can hear the fan kick in there. It comes with one meat probe here. There's a thermometer inside here for the pit temperature. On the control unit, if you press that one, it tells you the temperature you want to get to. There's a timer on there. This one will tell you the temperature of the probes, because you can have 4 probes with this attached. And this one allows you to connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to your device, which we'll be looking at in another video. With a lot of these grills, how they handle the grease that comes off the food is very important, and how they separate between the embers and the ash from the combustion in here and the grease coming off the grill and off the meat is very important. What this has got, it's got like a manifold in here. I'll just take this off so you can have a look. It's got this manifold in here, and the heat comes out of the combustion chamber through here, so it keeps any ash and embers away from the fat. The fat will drip from here, so you'll get a little bit of smoke created from the dripping fat, and then it drips down into the body there, and there's a drip tray, and it funnels the fat away into a fat catcher underneath. All that fat's gone away and kept very separate from the combustion and the embers. That I'm really impressed with. It's a simple, elegant solution to a problem they're seeing in a lot of grills and a lot of smokers. So from Masterbuilt, I'm very impressed with that. Great job. But I'll be testing this further just to make sure there's no problems. So it comes with these nice cast iron grills. You've got 2 sides to them, so they slot in there. So a flat side and a ridge side. Very impressed so far. First impressions, great bit of kit. You guys are really going to need to check this out. So obviously there's going to be further testing, further thoughts coming up in future videos, but for now, that's a few features of it. Check it out yourself, see if it's going to work for you. I'm happy to answer questions about this, having used it. So if you've got any comments or thoughts or questions about any bits of kit, any cooks you'd like to see me do on this in future, then please just comment below. Let me know, is this of interest to you? I think it's going to be an interesting bit of kit that's going to change charcoal grilling. It's great to see the innovation here. So yeah, I hope you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke. Remember that box over there, subscribe. Make sure you don't miss any future videos of me cooking on this bit of kit.